Good afternoon, everyone. So, papresent ko po sa inyo yung bagong product proposal po natin, which is yung Antrodia or Antrorata. Yan po yung brand name niya po. So, hindi po siya wrong spelling. Yan po talaga yung brand name niya. So, para ma-distinguish siya dun sa ibang mga Antrodia na nasa market, kung meron man dito siya sa Philippines. Pero as per the research, wala pa naman po tayong competitive with the Antrodia dito sa Philippines. So, yung Chinese character na po yan is actually Taiwan ruby dahil po super treasure yung mushroom na po ito kasi it's very, very rare to find in Taiwan or in Taiwan. So, kung rare na po siya sa Taiwan since mahirap po talaga siyang hanapin anywhere else. So, ano po ba yung pe-present ko sa inyo? So, actually po yung origin para maintindihan po natin kung bakit siya rare, bakit po siya one of a kind, and paano po natin siya mamamarket ng tayo lang. Since I think ito po yung ipapasok natin sa MLM po, Sir Lowell, no? So, ayun po.
Yes, tama.
Yes, okay po. So, ang origin po actually neto, meron po silang mga indigenous people in Taiwan na may hilig uminom. So, parang sa Philippines lang din po yan, kahit umulan, umaraw, may chumichibog pa rin po na umiinom pa rin po tayo umiinom ng alcohol. So, parang ganun din po sila. So, accidentally po nilang nakita yung mushroom sa Taiwan, sa forest, kasi usually, di ba, yung mga indigenous people, they live in the mountains, so nag-hike po sila. And then they found out na this mushroom pala, nung kinain nila kasi maybe it's a stopover or something like that after drinking for quite some time. They went on a stop and then they found this mushroom and then they drank it and then discovered na meron pala siyang effect for the hangover. So, yung usually na nakukuha natin with the hangover is usually yung headaches, yung parang gusto natin masuka or like dry mouth. So, yun, natanggal nila yun na-resolve yung symptoms na yun nung ininom nila yun. So, nagsabi sila na, maybe talaga treasure siya kasi accidentally nila nahanap yun. So, on that day forward, they researched, they find ways on how to improve or para may iba pa ba siyang effect kasi ganun siya ka powerful na when they drank mushroom, yung Antrodia camperata po natin, immediate po yung effect nun sa kanila. So that is why it's begged as the precious medicinal herbs in Taiwan. So that begs us the question, why is the Antrodia camperata or the mushroom can effectively solve the liver problems? Or in the next few slides, malalaman po natin na hindi lang liver yung target po ng ating Antrodia camperata. So the answer po actually is we have the 200 triterpenoids compound na meron yung Antrodia camperata. So ano naman yung importance ng 200 na triterpenoid? Actually, yun lang po yung nakukuha sa mushroom natin na it's very hard to find in any of the mushroom kasi yung triterpenoid yun po yung for anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, for the liver, for detoxification. So, yung detoxification po natin, di ba liver yung main detoxification center natin. So, lahat po doon pumupunta yung mga toxins. So, pag may nakakalabas po doon na toxins, domino effect na po yun. Pwede po mapunta sa heart, pwede po mapunta sa dugo, sa bones, and so on and so forth. So, kailangan po talaga natin alagaan yung liver natin kasi doon din po nagsisimula mostly or halos lahat ng sakit niya. So, later on, if very familiar kayo sa Ganoderma lucidum, which is very near na family po ng ating Antrodia camperata, maybe you'll ask, ano po yung difference niya? So, yung difference po niya is the amount of triterpenoid or ibig sabihin yung taas ng triterpenoid po na nasa mushroom, which is very hard to find since rare nga po siya and nasa mountains po nakukuha yung ating Antrodia, mas mahirap po siya or mas concentrated yung mga triterpenoids na nakukuha natin, which is a good effect in the body as overall po. So ito lang naman po yung research. Actually, hindi lang po ito lang kasi pwede po namin i-provide yung paper sa inyo kung gaano siya for the longest time na nagagamit here in Taiwan, na nagagamit siya for a lot of very different benefits, which we could give you a clinical study para makita nyo if meron bang mga pwede nating i-gawin na functionalities niya, saan tayo magpo-position sa market, what if hindi ito yung benefit na nag-hit sa market, pwede tayong mag-shift sa ganito. Kasi usually, katulad nga before, naalala ko nang sinabi ni Sir Lowell na pag overall health, masyadong malaki yung market. So, parang mas maganda if the new product would be overall, pero meron pa rin siyang specific functionality na pwede natin makater in the future. So, this is another research reports that we could offer or we could give you, which is very different from the other mushrooms. Kasi yung Antrorata campurata lang po natin yung meron na ganito kadaming research report dahil um, this mushroom goes way back pa. So here, it's just said here that the antioxidant and hepatoprotective or liver protection po ng effects ng Antrorata campurata, yung mga nakalagay po dito or naka-flash po dito sa research paper natin. And of course, the active ingredients na pwede siyang may specific na tinatarget siya for the colorectal cancer para ma-prevent niya po ito, which is I think very relevant here in the Philippines kasi yung colorectal cancer usually is nakukuha siya pag napaparami po yung barbecue natin, ihaw natin kasi yun yung famous na pangpulutan natin pag umiinom. So mas mataas po yung case na magkaroon ng colorectal cancer here in the Philippines, which nape-prevent po ng ating Antrorata campurata. So, with a lot of studies, ano po ba talaga yung best na Antrorata campurata out there in the market? Kasi even though that Taiwan, if makikita po natin siya outside of Taiwan, ano po ba yung difference natin siya? Or how can we differentiate our raw materials from the other Antrorata campurata in the market? So with a lot of resources, a lot of searches from our research and development team, which is headed by Dr. Chen. So ni-research niya po talaga or siya po talaga yung mismo pumunta para mag-harvest po ng wild na Antrorata and tinest niya po kung which part kasi usually sa ibang mga medicinal herbs, di ba po, mas mataas yung effect pag yung roots yung kinuha, mas mataas yung effects if yung fruit yung kinuha. But then they figured out, or Dr. Chen here figured out that the whole fruit have the benefits, like different benefits. Say for the roots, meron siyang for anti-cancer. For the fruit itself, meron siyang for tumor, for anti-inflammatory, antioxidant. So, mas maganda po talaga that the whole fruit or the whole mushroom yung nagagamit po for this one, which is yun yung kinulture nila in the lab, which distinguish us from the others kasi naging patented na po siya. Kasi doon po sa whole na mushroom niya, meron pong ginawa or na-culture na po siya sa lab. So, napaganda na po or na-enhance na po yung effectivity ng product na yon. And also, this being patented, may mga clinical studies po tayo na mapapakita na pwede nating i-claim yung function na po yun or yung target na po yun. So, just a quick background po nung aming nag-formulate nung ating Antrorata is the Dr. Chen here, yung nasa gitna po. So, siya po talaga na nag-google ng oras, ng time to research, and to put up all the benefits na makukuha po talaga natin and to ensure the safety. Kasi usually sasabihin nila, ay, mushroom siya, so maybe it's toxic. So, lahat ng test lahat ng test to prove that it's very safe for consumption, for long term, tinest niya po talaga so that we can say to the customer or to the one taking it, even you po na magtitake, it's very safe and effective and of quality. Syempre, ayaw naman po natin ng class B, class C, we always go for the best. So here with the unique 6 features po, the first feature is the 90-day toxicity test, which is usually nakikita po natin with the drug product, especially yung mga antibiotics. Kasi, di ba yung antibiotics, kinoculture siya from a lot of sources, say bacteria. So, kailangan matanggal po yung mga toxics niya, matanggal yung mga poison niya. So, even here, na hindi siya drug, food supplement lang po yung ating product, they still tested it just to ensure na very safe po siya, hindi po siyang magkukos ng any other side effect. Like, pag tinake po ba to in the long run, masisira ba yung liver ko? So, tinest na po nila yon para masagot tayo na no, it will not cause any harm in the long run or when you take it 2 times a day or when you take it 1 capsule a day. So, ayun po yung importance ng ating 90-day toxicity test. So, the safety is guaranteed, no doubt. And then the next one is yung kanina po na sinasabi ko na nag-culture po sila kasi the wild Antrodia, since ito po yung first na nakita ng ating indigenous people na nagpakita ng instant effect nung sila ay may hangover, like more energy, natatanggal yung hangover symptoms nila, yung mga headache nila. So, kinulture po nila para mas environmental friendly rin po. Kasi syempre the raw materials, alangan naman kukunin mo siya talaga from the mountain. So they have to culture it to have the raw materials in a big bulk para marami rin tayo mapoproduce or sufficient enough to produce a product. So here we have the evidence of the Antrorata, yung nagsusporulate siya in the fruiting bodies na meron siyang benefits sa atin. And also, this one, the HPLC, just comparing po, ibig sabihin po, same sila ng DNA. So, yung chemical composition po, or yung composition ng mga kinulture po natin is the same with the wild Antrodia. Meaning po, nasa 99.97% yung pagka-culture natin sa kanya. So, ganun po kalapit yung percentage ng concentration ng Antrodia natin sa wild na Antrodia camporata, which is a good sign kasi pag mas mataas po syempre yung concentration na nakukuha natin or mas malapit po doon sa original, ibig sabihin yung benefits would be the same thing. So, makukuha natin optimal or optimum results from the Antrodia camporata natin. So, ito naman po yung differentiation niya sa mga general market and compared with our branded na Antrorata. So, meaning po ng solid state container, di ba po, if you submerge or nilagyan po natin yung mushroom ng liquid, syempre hindi na po siya concentrated, ma-die down or mawa-water down na po siya. So, technically, pwede siyang mag-form ng molds, pwede siyang mag-form ng poison, or it would be more toxic to take. So, this one, the solid state container bag, it's like better preservation para pag nakuha po natin siya and then ma-culture sa lab, it is preserved well. The stability and the benefits of the product or the Antrodia is still there 100%. And of course, here the mycelium. Katulad po ng sinabi ko kanina, usually all the mushrooms, yung mga fungi natin na mura, they're in the market or for general consumption lang siya kasi marami na po siyang competitors out there in the market. All of them have polysaccharides, but not one of them have triterpenes. Yung Antrodia lang po natin ang may terpenes, triterpenes, even the Ganoderma, yung sister mushroom niya, siya lang po yung may 200 na triterpenes. So, ganun po kataas yung concentration niya. So, madi-differentiate po talaga natin siya from other mushrooms out there in the market. So, katulad po ng dito, yung anti-cancer niya, it's not in the optimal level or it's not in the best level. You have to drink, say, 6 capsules, 5 capsules, but this 1 to 2 capsules would be enough para mabigay niya yung effect na kiniklaim po natin. So here is just the 27 major patents, which is a lot. Kasi usually yung ibang mga products there or yung mga mushroom, 2 to 3 or 2 to 5 lang yung nakukuha na lang patents. But then our research and development team really strive to give us the best. That's why we have the 27 na major patents to prove its efficacy. And here is the 5 food safety inspection. So in Taiwan po, this one is usually done for the healthy food list or yung may mga FDA approval na for drug-like food supplements which napoprove nila doon sa Food and Drug Administration nila in Taiwan na, this one, meron talaga siyang effect. This one, nakakapag-benefit talaga siya. Kasi also, yung E. coli na bacteria, ibig sabihin, hindi ka makakakuha ng poison or hindi siya magiging toxic to use in the short term or long term or kahit tatlo man yung capsule na inumin natin, no problem with that. Next is the heavy metal safety inspection, which is rare na to find or rare na to be tested in the food supplements. Dahil syempre, pag hindi siya na-filter ng maayos, mas mababa yung class niya. Ibig sabihin, mas mura yung raw materials. So yung SRP, pwede po nating babaan. So without this test and also the plasticizer and the multiple pesticide, kaya ngayon, di ba, lagi nyo nang naririnig na mas tumataas na yung sales ng pag nakalagay dun sa product, organic, kasi natatakot na yung tao. Kasi even 50 or 40 years old, minsan may cancer na, minsan ang dami ng sakit. So, people nowadays opt for something that is very organic, very safe to use, na yung hindi ginamitan ng pesticide. And of course, this one passed the safety inspection of unadulterated Western medicine because yung pagkukulture po natin sa kanya is not in an illegal way. So, nasa legal way po lagi. Next is the plant. I believe you guys are very familiar with our plant, which is the 100,000 class clean facility room, which is more on the drug side. So even though it's just a food supplement, super talagang meticuloso po ng research and development team natin, ng factory natin, para po to produce the highest quality of product that we could offer. Especially sa MLM, kailangan very unique ka, very, it's hard to duplicate. So we're very proud to present or propose to you that it's very hard to duplicate because of many factors, which is yung 6 features na in-explain ko kanina. So it's ISO, HACCP, we could apply, I think we could apply this one for halal since yung mga ingredients po natin would be more on the what you call this, herbicides. So, pharmaceutical grade water, which means na yung mga drug product, it goes in this process. But since it's just a food supplement, it is with very high regards. So, ito lang naman yung proposed din namin na for formulation. So we have the patented Antrorata camphorata, the red ginseng, the yeast glucan, the seaweed extract, which is the up to 32 patents, which is a lot, I think. So hindi po tayo magkakaroon ng problema na masasabihan tayo ng, maybe this is not effective, even if it's new, parang hindi siya talaga will work. So we could say to the clients, to the customer na yes, we could prove it to you with the 32 patents that we have. So yung mga ingredients na po ito is to synergize or combine with the patented Antrorata camphorata para mas better po yung efficacy niya. Kasi ang gusto po natin, from the time we intake it up until mapunta siya sa stomach natin, we want it to reach 99 to 100% po yung efficacy or yung stability ng product natin. So, kailangan po natin ng iba't ibang mga ingredients para ma-boost yung function ng ating patented Antrorata camphorata. So, here is the selection of the dosage form, which we have an antioxidant preservative technology, which lowers down or talagang cancel out yung oxidation complaints, or meron din tayong special homogenation technology, which means na pag inopen nyo po yung capsules, as you can see, talagang combined siya well together, kahit na may oil tayo sa formulation para mas effective siya when you take it. orally. And then the seamless soft capsule technology, the anti-adhesive and anti-recoating, it means na hindi po siya magdidikit-dikit even though nasa bottle type lang po tayo na packaging. Kasi usually, as you can see in the market, pag soft gel po yung capsule, nakikita nyo nasa blister siya. Kasi it's very prone po na magdikit-dikit sila pag nilagay po natin sa bottle. Pero we have a strict selection ng technology para hindi po yun mangyari. And of course, the nitrogen injection para yung mga live na benefits or stability ng raw materials natin or ng active ingredients natin is hindi magfa-falter or hindi po bababa kapag po produce na siya. So, ma-maintain niya yung overall activity ng ingredients and of course, ma-improve din yung absorption consumption natin. For example, for the healthcare or yung maintenance po natin, we could just take 1 capsule a day. Yung may mga stress, we could also have that 1 capsule a day. And yung pwede tayong masyadong irritable since we have a lot of stress from work, you don't have enough sleep, wala po tayong kain. So, lahat ng variables na yon if nagpatong-patong, magsha-shutdown yung body natin. So, ayaw naman natin yun. So, we need to supplement our body with that. And Antrodia can help with that problems. So, we have also the chronic diseases such as the high blood pressure. So, all in one na po talaga siya from stress, from improving sleep, from those na nagtitake ng maintenance. And I think since very, very safe yung quality natin, even those na may mga cancer can take it. So, hindi natin maiisip or hindi nila iisipin na hindi nila pwede yun matake kasi wala silang toxic test like that. So, it's really the education that really matters in this product. So, next would be the immunity. So, pwede rin siya for those na may allergic reaction, yung may mga fungal infection. So, here, the course of treatment from cancer patients. So, pwede siya 2 capsules a day, 1 at night, and 1 in the morning and then 1 at night. Meron din siyang effect for those with patients na may stage 3 and 4 tumors, metastasis, and high tumor index. So, the time of consumption, it's the usual FAQs or the usual question, what if acidic ako? So, you could take it after meals and then the number of edible particles or kung gaano siya karami pwedeng i-take, pwedeng after morning, afternoon, and evening. And then here yung if you feel dizzy, actually, meron din siyang mga precautions. So, yung first 2 months, once you take the product, meron siyang pwedeng effect like sleepiness or makakatulog ka. So, recommended siya to take before going to bed, gano'n. And then, it improves naman continuously if tinitake mo yung product na yun. So, here we have according to the experience scientific Chinese medicine, it is recommended that the cancer patients need to take at least 3 to 5 grams per day to achieve yung effective dose natin. So that is our Antrorata for the branded, which is the Taiwan Forest. So I hope the explanation for this product is clear.